You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 11. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the x. Multiply both sides by 7x. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Swap sides. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by 2. Simplify the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. And so the final result is x equals 11.